Fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're out here this morning doing a little bit of hunting. See if we can pick something up this morning, guys. Big up yourself. I want my phone up. I don't like that feeling. Woo! Bastard! Miss! Did you guys just see that? Oh shit. There's a reef right there. Shit. Alright, let's get out of here. Yeah, guys, we want to take it to the other side where the sun is up and it's going to give me a little bit better effect. The waves right here are coming in a little bit hard. I don't want it to catch my gimbal or wet me up at the same time. So I'm going to take it around to the other side real quick. I'm going to chop it across here and see if we can get a better cast under the sun. But what I don't want my phone to get wet, and not only that, but I don't want to get wet. So this is a good casting spot right here. Let me find a good spot that I can put you down without that rogue wave coming in and smacking my phone. So let me get over here to these rocks, which is way behind, and see if I can get you guys up in the ear. There you go, bang. Yeah, I love this gimbal, guys. This gimbal is awesome. Gives you a good way to, you know what I'm saying? You kind of control the phone leveling and everything. You're not going to get that shakiness and none of that. So, see if we can get out here without getting hitched up. Fish on, guys, fish on. Woo-hoo. Did you just see that, guys? I just got to hit a barrel. I just hit it a while ago and got away on me. Fudge! Fish on. Got him. Got you this time. Got you. Woohoo! Did you just see that? Shit, he just hit it again. Woo! Got away from me a while ago, guys. Got away from me a while ago. Holy smoke. Woo. Holy smoke. Drag. I don't think it was a drag though. I didn't set that hook properly, or he just wasn't hooked good. Holy smoke. Holy shit, he ain't gonna grab it again, guys. He ain't gonna grab it again because his mouth is burning right now. He did it twice. I couldn't believe it. That's crazy. Alright. Woo! Yo! If you was watching that and you seen that, tap up that screen. Did you just see those 2 barracuda runs a while ago? Holy! Yo, I'm shaking right now, yo. Yo, that dude, the barra hit this lure twice. Twice he hit it a while ago. And then the last one I brought him right up to here and he got away, yo. He chopped this bad boy with them teeth. I don't know how he got away from these hooks. I have no idea how him get away. Bombados. I moved and look at this. I have to switch spots because that barra is not gonna come back and hit that lure again. He's gonna ease off. So what I'm gonna do is switch sides. Give him a break, let him take a little second and then come back to it, because what you don't want to do is get him riled up and scare him out of the area. And yeah, the water's coming up pretty high here. I gotta stay high with the phone. So I gotta watch myself here. So we're gonna go this direction this time. We're gonna go back that way, but we're gonna work either side here and see if I can pick something up. Come on, Jamaican shore fishing guys. Just got 2 barrel hookups and they got away on me. I don't know what the hell happened. I don't know what the hell happened a while ago, guys. Yeah, guys. I'm working this corner right here. And come on, turn it this way. See, too high. Working over this corner right here, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm hitting this side. Nothing yet. Hey guys, so we gave this guy a break right now over here on this side. So we're gonna go back on this side again and hit this side up one more time and see if we can get him. Yeah! That's how y'all think, guys.